Class, we learned chapter 15, doing different things with Switch. So over here we created a calendar and we learned a new code which is the Switch, and I'm going to explain it. Hi, my name is Katie and I'm the driver of the session. Okay, so when we take a look at the code, I'm just going to summarize a lot of the code. So we've got variables. So when we look at line 1 to line 24, I summarize the code and then we are going to move on to the Switch code. Okay, so we've got a variable declaration. The code selects the HTML element with the ID, today's date, and what to do, and assigns them to the variables today's date and to do button respectively. Then we've got event listeners. The event listener is added to the to do button. So when it is clicked, the display activity function is called. And then we've got the date object, a new date is created to get the current date and time, and then we've got the display date, and the display date is a function that is called to show the current date in the today's element. And then we've got the display date function, the function that sets the inner HTML of today's date to the current date is a string. And then I'm going to explain the switch code. So basically we've got day of the week over here, and this variable holds a numeric value of the current day, 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday, and it goes on like that. And then we've got the you should. This is a variable that will store the message that will be displayed, and then we've got our switch statement. So the switch statement evaluates the value of day of week. For each case 0 to 6, it sets the you should variable to a specific message corresponding to the day, and the break statement prevents the switch from falling through the next case. The default case handles any unexpected values through, though it's unlikely in this context. And that is it for the switch code. And I'm just going to show you how it works in the web. So over here, we have Sunday 26 January 2025, and then I asked, what should I do today? Take it easy, you've earned it. And we can go back to the code over here on a Sunday. As we can see by case 0, I asked what I should do, and it says over here, take it easy, you've earned it. And that is it for chapter 15.